Yes, you can open it now. Let me see. Can you give it that paper to me? Yes. Come here. Yeah, of course. What do you think? Then open. Do you like it? No. That's for me. Yes. Can you talk about the sneaker, the color, the style? It's the same. Is it a yes or a no for that sneaker? Can you put it so you can show it the sneakers? Guys, the sneakers is from Luisa Via Roma, and it was actually the new Gucci spring summer collection.